Welcome to Vehicle Inspector. Ram trucks have long been a favorite among truck enthusiasts, especially known for their rugged performance, reliability, and advanced features. With the release of the 2025 Ram 1500, many are curious about how it stacks up against the 2024 model. Understanding the differences and improvements is crucial for anyone considering an upgrade or purchase. Today, we're going to give you a comprehensive overview of these trucks, so you can decide whether to purchase now or wait for the newer model. So, let's get started. Let's get an overview of the 2024 Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 offers comfort so luxurious that it feels like a warm-up for your lazy boy at home. Its excellent ride and handling are unmatched by other full-size pickups, and the 702 HP Ram 1500 TRX is in a league of its own. But even the more civilized Ram 1500 is no slouch when it comes to performance. It comes with engine options ranging from a 305 HP V6 to a 395 HP V8 and can tow up to 12,750 pounds. You can choose between rear-wheel or four-wheel drive, and it offers two cab options, an extended cockpit or a larger four-door crew cab. You also get to pick between a 5-foot 7-inch bed or a 6-foot 4-inch bed. The Ram 1500 has some strong competition from the Ford F-150 and Chevy Silverado, but its luxury and comfort set it apart, earning it the 2024 10 Best Trucks and SUVs and 2024 Editor's Choice Awards. The price starts at $41,415 and can go up to $69,805 depending on the trim and options. The Ram 1500 offers a 305 HP 3.6-liter V6 and a 395 HP 5.7-liter V8 engine, both paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. These engines are helped by a 48-volt hybrid system, though the V8 is also available without it. For those who love adventure, the rugged Rebel model offers tougher looks and real off-road capabilities. The Ram 1500's ride is impressive thanks to a rear suspension with coil springs or optional air springs, unlike the traditional leaf spring setup found in rivals. Models with air suspension can even adjust their ride height, improving fuel efficiency and off-road performance. The Ram 1500 can tow up to 12,750 pounds and carry up to 2,320 pounds. Its maximum towing capacity is only beaten by the Ford F-150. However, Ram 1500 models with the crew cab can still tow more than 11,500 pounds. With its hybrid V6 and V8 engines, the Ram 1500 has a range of fuel economy options, with an EPA estimated highway range of up to 25 miles per gallon for the V6 and 23 miles per gallon combined for the V8. In real-world testing, a 1500 Rebel with the gas V6 returned miles per gallon on a 75 miles per gallon highway route, slightly better than the V8 Rebel and V8 Laramie. Inside, the Ram 1500 offers functional storage and spacious passenger areas. Higher trims include upscale materials and comforts, making it feel more like a luxury vehicle than a pickup truck. Many models come with heated and ventilated seats and a panoramic sunroof, while the fanciest versions have premium leather and real wood accents. The crew cab is very spacious and offers vast interior storage and a unique split-folding tailgate. Both the 5-foot 7-inch and 6-foot 4-inch cargo beds are available, but the extended cab body style only comes with the longer bed. Ram does not offer the 1500 with a regular cab, but the previous generation, the 1500 Classic, does have this option. Now let's talk about the 2025 Ram 1500. This full-size pickup truck is known for combining capability and comfort, and it's getting several upgrades for 2025 to stay ahead in its segment. It now offers a choice of 6-cylinder engines, a base V6 or a powerful twin-turbo inline-6. This new engine replaces the old Hemi V8 and can produce up to 540 horsepower. The Rebel model is great for off-road adventures, but the Ram 1500 really shines when set up for luxury. For 2025, Ram has given its truck a new look and more features. The old Hemi V8 is gone, replaced by a new twin-turbo inline-6 engine that comes in two versions, one with 420 horsepower and another with 540 horsepower. The truck's exterior has minor changes, making it look more modern and attractive. There are new lighting elements, wheel designs, and color options. Inside, the standard 8.4-inch touchscreen has been replaced by a larger 12.0-inch one, and there's an even bigger 14.5-inch display available. There's also a new optional 10.3-inch screen for the passenger side. The 2025 Ram 1500 introduces a new high-end tungsten trim, which features quilted leather upholstery, 24-way adjustable seats with a massage function, and a suede headliner. This luxurious trim is priced close to $90,000. The Laramie and Rebel trims are the best buys in the lineup, with the Rebel offering off-road enhancements for those looking to venture off the beaten path. The maximum towing capacity for the 2025 Ram 1500 is 11,580 pounds, and it can carry a payload of up to 2,300 pounds. Comparing the 2025 Ram 1500 versus the 2024 Ram 1500, what's new and improved? Let's explore the key differences and improvements in the 2025 Ram 1500 compared to the 2024 model, focusing on exterior design, interior upgrades, performance, safety, technology, and overall value. Exterior design and features of the 2025 Ram 1500. The 2025 Ram 1500 has several exterior updates, including new LED headlights and taillights, a refreshed grille, and new color options and wheel designs. The luxurious tungsten trim adds quilted leather upholstery, massaging seats, and a premium sound system. The truck's body is more aerodynamic, improving fuel efficiency, and new lighting features enhance its visual appeal. Interior upgrades in the 2025 Ram 1500. Inside, the 2025 Ram 1500 boasts high-quality materials like real wood accents and premium leather. The infotainment system now has a larger 12-inch or optional 14.5-inch touchscreen, plus a new 10.3-inch passenger-side screen. The tungsten trim offers massaging seats and a 23-speaker Klipsch sound system. The cabin is designed for comfort and practicality, with improved storage and advanced tech features like a head-up display and digital rearview mirror. Performance enhancements in the 2025 Ram 1500. The 2025 model introduces new 3-liter twin-turbo inline-6 engines, replacing the old V8. These engines offer 305, 420, or 540 horsepower. A mild hybrid option improves efficiency. The truck's towing capacity reaches up to 12,750 pounds, and the ride is smoother with coil spring or air suspension options. The new engines also promise better fuel efficiency. Safety and driver assistance in the 2025 Ram 1500. The 2025 Ram 1500 features advanced safety technologies, including hands-free active driving assist for semi-autonomous driving, intersection collision assist, traffic sign recognition, and a comprehensive safety suite with adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking. A surround view camera enhances maneuverability and parking. Technology and infotainment in the 2025 Ram 1500. The 2025 model upgrades its technology with standard 12-inch or optional 14.5-inch touchscreens, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless charging pad. The new 10.3-inch passenger side screen offers additional navigation and entertainment options. The truck also includes a 23-speaker Klipsch sound system and updated driver assistance tech. Pricing and value of the 2025 Ram 1500. The 2025 Ram 1500 starts at a slightly higher price than the 2024 model, but offers better features and improvements. It provides great value with its new design, technology, and powertrain options. The luxurious tungsten trim is competitively priced, and the improved fuel efficiency promises long-term savings. The 2025 Ram 1500 stands out with its updated exterior, luxurious interior, advanced performance, enhanced safety, and improved technology, making it a strong contender in the truck market. Should you wait for the 2025 Ram 1500 or go for the 2024 model? It depends on your needs. The 2025 model offers the latest tech, a more powerful engine, and a refreshed look. However, the 2024 Ram 1500 is still excellent, with potential for better deals and availability. Test driving both is crucial to make an informed choice. Consider your budget, desired features, and urgency for a new truck. What do you think about the 2024 versus 2025 Ram 1500? Share your thoughts in the comments, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive insights.